Hey everyone, this is Dr. Xiao Wang, your resident high-tech surgeon. Today is June 10th, 2020, and as the world is trying to cope with the COVID-19 pandemic, us healthcare professionals deal with unique challenges. How do you provide patient care when we're trying to avoid unnecessary exposure? This is where telemedicine has come to the forefront of healthcare. Now, one of the unique challenges of telemedicine is that you cannot provide a proper physical exam for the patient. Now, as an ear, nose, and throat doctor, what if I tell you that you can buy a fairly cheap and reliable digital otoscope where you can do a self-ear exam and send the videos or pictures to your primary care doctor? Or if you're a primary care physician, you can use it to send the pictures and videos to your ear, nose, and throat specialist for definitive treatment. So if you go on Amazon and search for digital otoscope, you'll see there are many different options that you can buy. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if most of them came out of the same factory and got rebranded to be sold on Amazon. The particular model or clinic purchased is called Tessalon Otoscope. Within this brand, the versions that work with Android only, versions work with both iPhone and Android. I think it's important that you find the one that works with your device. Now, most of the ones that work with iPhone also work with Android. I think the ones that works with iPhone have this battery box to provide additional power. As for most and the latest Android devices, the phone itself can provide enough power to the device to power it. Okay? Now, as part of the disclosure, we don't have any financial interest in this brand or any of the products. So when you first open the box, you'll find a case, manual, a cleaning tip, a speculum adapter, USB-C and lightning adapters, the main otoscope, and a USB cable. Before you can use the otoscope, you have to go to your Apple App Store or Android Google Play Store and download the USEE camera application. So to use Tessalon otoscope, first you want to attach the included USB cable to the main unit. And if your device uses micro USB port, you don't need any detachments. Now, for my Android phone, it has a USB-C connector, so you need to use the micro USB to USB-C adapter. Once that's connected, turn the Tessalon device on, and you see the lights flashing here, okay? And you can see the LED lights lighting up on the tip end of it. Put it on the tip, so this is the side that will be inserted into the ear canal to get a picture. Once everything is attached, you can open the USEE app. And once you plug in the USB cable, you should automatically get a picture here. There you go. Okay? And similarly for Apple device, you can use the lightning adapter, okay? So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Everyone stay safe until next time. This is a HTS production. So we're out here today in Don Castro Park in Castro Valley. It's really nice out today. We're taking a walk, and my son Lucas feels like a bug may have got into his ear. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do an ear exam out here, okay? We're gonna look in his ear. We can record it and see it on our phone. So Lucas, what do you think is your ear?
A lot of earwax.
You don't think a bug got in there?
No.
Alright, we're gonna take a look in a second, okay?
Okay.
Now we'll come here. Put it in Lucas's ear. Right here. Well, Lucas, looks like it's just a lot of earwax. A lot of earwax, okay? I think next week I'm gonna find you an ear, nose, and throat doctor at Palo Alto Medical Foundation and clean out your ear. Okay?